Okay. So let's analyze GBPJPY, our bias for next week. So on the 12 months time frame, it's still the same thing that we are going to look for: external range liquidity, internal range liquidity, external range liquidity. If you want to analyze, you look for your first thing you want to check out is external range liquidity, as price taking out any recent high or recent low. So if yes, if price has taken out a recent high, where is the next drawn liquidity? If price has taken out the recent high, of which is the external range liquidity, we now position for the internal range liquidity. So, and the internal range liquidity, we use our fair value gap as our internal range liquidity. So like this, simple like this. If you want to frame your bias, external range liquidity, internal range liquidity, external range liquidity, internal range liquidity, so on and so forth. So let's use this formula here now. So what are we seeing here? External range liquidity, then where is our internal range liquidity? Our nearest internal range liquidity to position, we have this gap here, fair value gap here. Let me adjust it well. I need to make this snappy so that this percentage will lead me. Okay. Then we still mark out this one also, so that no place will be left untouched. So all these zones are our point of interest zone. Then as we said already, there will be something that's pushing it up here, down, and there will be another one that's taking it from down here up, be another one that's taking it from up down, like that. So if you check this one now, inverse fair value gap, I'll be added the color. This is a fair value gap, this is an inverse fair value gap. So let's take it as this is a fair value gap. This is a point of interest that will cause maybe a reaction from here. I'll take it down here. Then this one will not cause a reaction, I'll take it up like that. So let's just mark it out like this. This is a 12 months time frame. So we'll go to the 6 months time frame. On the 6 months time frame, what are we seeing? This same zone. If you adjust it now, there's a fair value gap here. That time now inverse fair value gap you see, but now see normal fair value gap here. So if you do one like this, so you see fair value gap. Then what are we checking out here? This fair value gap, you can adjust it. See another one here, if you adjust that. Yeah, adjust that like this. Internal range. Adjust it. So after sweep, so if the anticipated price come inside any of this zone, but you know, so this one has 6 months, so this one will happen now, but surely it must happen. Time they come, maybe not today. Then let's just mark out our liquidity, buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. So hold high, market take this one. So this one serve now, another high, but fair value gap did already. So I feel just delete that one. Then let's drop to a lower time frame. You see market sweep this one. So let's drop to a lower time frame. 3 months time frame. So what are we seeing here? So okay, make we work with this one, make I show you something for you. So after market take out this buy side liquidity, should we see how the market take go from here? You go from this side like this, clear this one, clear, then close with a candle above, with a candle body. So as a clear like this that time, so to say now here we did now as market clear like this, you will see this one a fair value gap. Chase here, this one a fair value gap. Understand? Then this one serve now other block we get fair value gap. So you see say the thing can't even match well. Let me show you this 2024. that time I person never able to be able to trade, even though that I don't make money for them. So market don't sweep am. Then e leave fair value gap, leave other block, we get fair value gap. Too sweet. Then to say you did an eye for buy from here, they go up. Lower time frame, keep on entry buy for here. So okay, make we check the one way they are face now. Sweep this one. If you check to your left hand side, which is happen for here. See other block and here. See that thing I tell you that time say now some period go must push am from here, come down, another one will push and go up. So you see say now this other block we get fair value gap now push am from here, come down. So you see POI for here now push and come down. Pull this one come down, and this one for here carry and go up. So now so the market just move. One go push and go up, one go push and come down. So let's take this side. Waiting, suppose pull this one from here now. Okay, for here never clear. This one has already been mitigated. So let's leave it. So what do we see here? Sweep, buy side liquidity, then we anticipate a pullback here. So let's go to the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame. What do we see on the monthly time frame? Our left hand side first to see waiting go push and come down. So you see other block POI. So you see you get fair value gap. POI other block we get fair value gap. So now this one now go push and push. So this is another block with that. So now this one now go carry on from here, come down here. So someone for here go carry on from here, go up. Another one from here go carry on. So another one from here go carry on, go up. Another one here go carry on, come down. Another one go carry on, go up. We'll check. Okay, this one has fair value gap. So maybe this fair value gap will give a reaction. So let's work with this one now. Let me do this one. So sweep of liquidity, buy side liquidity, then point of interest will go reverse that. So after this, we will go look for nearest other block, nearest point of interest, maybe other block of fair value gap. So for here, we don't see anyone. I don't see anyone. We can zone this one. This one other block. Let's check fair value gap. No fair value gap. So no clear for there. So what we will do? We will go lower time frame, weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame here, what are we seeing? Mostly check our left hand side first. Mostly possible reaction zone. Why this thing is doing like this? Why is it not showing? Network. Okay, it's showing. So okay, fair value gap yourself. So I'm going to work with this other block. So let's say this other block, one push and come down. My PC is low. How many percent? 10%, man. So this zone here, let's say this point of interest. Maybe say the thing, this other block, they give a run where the thing won't even reverse from there. So after the sweep, then we look for a nearest other block or point of interest zone here. So let's mark out our fair value gap after the sweep. So this is a fair value gap. This one fair value gap, that's point of interest. Then this one other block, also another fair value gap right there, but other block did there also. Other block, then fair value gap. So possibly market coffee, if this POI is strong, well, it will give us reaction for here to carry and come here, then continue the trend, go this one, carry and come. But try to work with the recent price action. So if you check again, see another block, fair value gap for here. So if you sell from here now, you will carry a small profit for here. What with market will do for here? If the seller still there in control, you still continue another sell down to this one. See what will happen for here. Down to this one. See what will happen for here. So that's just how you trade it. So let me look for. Maybe I'll use my laptop power bank and plug this thing so that I'll just hand this class up. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm back now. So this other block with this POI here will give us a reaction to push it down to this point of interest, or to this one, or to this one. So what are we going to look for now? We dropped our lower time frame. Now our measurement time frame, daily time frame, to mark out our premium and discounts. So if we want to check the premium and discount now, if you check all this one, I think all these ones are balanced, because USD/JPY for this side is balanced. So the place where it they balance again, the same thing with USD/JPY. So it is this one balance, from here it balance. So the place where they balance again are from this side. So you carry your Fibonacci tools, make sure after the sweep, did market come back? No, it not come back to the 50%. So what do? You take it to the next sweep. So we say this one sweep, and now I put out for them. So after the sweep, the thing come down, the pullback come down, no, it no come down. You take on to the next sweep. After the sweep, it come down, no come. You no come. So what you go do? Bam. You put on for them. Bam. 2 hands up. Then now this zone now like this gone. So we say this side now higher time frame, fair value gap, point of interest now we see for here. So if you get mine now, if you sell from here to this 50% zone, first 50% zone, then to this one, or to this point of interest here. Understand? But if you want to trade for a short term period of time, if you just come this fair value gap here, because market if give us reaction from here. But me if you say any reaction will come from here, maybe not to give us reaction, because anything will make market come down from here, come this side from here. The reaction where the thing won't give us for here now to push and small come up here. You understand that kind of thing? Now to push and small come up for here, come up here like this. Then for this I said I don't see another fair value gap here. So now to push and come this fair value gap, then carry and come this one, because this way no balance. So if you push from here, carry and come here, or if it possible push from here now, they go up. So anything will happen. But for the meantime, what you go do is just sell from here. Either I sell from here down to this point of interest here. This point of interest here. So that's what you should do. You understand? So, but if you want to trade this recent one like this, if you take your Fibonacci tools from here like this one no balance. If you take out, so if you sell from here, come this zone or come this side. If you sell from here, come here. If you fear, if you sell from here, come here or come this zone. But the right way we do now to say come this one here, wait for reaction for here, see other point of interest here, mark it out. Other block, this one will give you reaction. But if you call this one your POI, because they for discount zone. If you call this one your POI, this one if you call on your POI, if you just call a normal order block, but this one if you be your POI because they your discount zone. Your POI should be at your discount zone point of interest. We go give you reverse side, go be at your discount zone. So this one like this, if you just use this one as your target, point, like if you sell from here and if you just sell come this other block here, instead of to say come this fair value gap, if you put down for here, likely market must come this side, because anything we make can come here now you must reach this other block, because this other block get fair value gap. So that's it. So let's go to a lower time frame and see this here we have focus for here, pay me because I carry this from this up here, for this up here, but it's crazy, bro. So on the 4-hour time frame, if you want to look for any listing and for here, if you mark, look for your other block, you get fair value gap. So this one is not valid. So you see one here. So you see this one get fair value gap. Fair value gap. So point of interest, 1 point of interest here. Say point of interest here. Check. Okay, there's no one. Okay. There's no one here. So what next? You go to a more lower time frame. So go to a more lower time frame, 3-hour time frame. 3-hour time frame. What do you see? I don't see anyone for here. Not see anyone. Okay, 3-hour. This one not get fair value gap. This one not have. This one okay. See one here. So mark them out. Label, PY, label, PY. This one I just normal that block. Or if you just give you target point there, so go to 2-hour time frame. 4-hour down to your 1-hour time frame. That's when you look for your point of interest. So what do we see here? Okay, make we see one higher probability of that block here. So this one will serve as your target zone. All this one a target zone you go use them for higher probability place where we say market go must drop to. So if you say you did on this sell from here now, if you target for here, you understand? So all those zones are the market. Those one are target zone. So now from this discount zone, I have to call them my point of interest. Even though for those one for that side, those one are target zone I use them for. So this one we see one here. Okay, we have already picked it. So okay, we have already picked this one also. So basically the same thing. Down to a 1-hour time frame, the same thing also. Okay, sorry. Yeah, let's check. I'm not seeing anyone for here. We did not find anyone here. This one is already here, so no need. This one is already here, so no need. So that's it. Then from your 4-hour to 1-hour time frame, you don't mark out your zones there. So you know, say if you are selling from here now, you'll be taking your profit here, taking your profit here, all these zones. So then okay, so let's focus on this marketplace now, where this market is now. So let's look for opportunity that we can see here. So you can see that the market has now shown that we are in a downtrend. This other block add to the confluence. So what we want to look for here now? Higher low, lower high, because no break is high. So now lower high be this, lower low, lower high. The lower low still it never start to the pullback. If you be saying now when it come this side here, this point of interest here, this other block here. Now from here now, if they give us that pullback, like something like this, like that kind of thing. So how can we find an opportunity here? Market other block again, or this time frame other block. Market do come for them, especially when the week is opening like this. The opening gap, you see market will just jump. So let's mark out those higher time frame other blocks. So like this, we don't see anyone here. 2 hours time frame, 2 hour. Okay, we will not see anyone here. 1 hour time frame. Okay, there's another one here. You can adjust this one like that. You can add another one. See one day for you. So if you just do one like this. So not see anyone here, then this kind of situation, what you will do, you can your order flow time frame where you get your entry to track your entry. So as I say this one, where I tell us I catch this one, but this trade PM is going because it's very clear. It's very, very clear. I have the before and this thing there now. Now here I have my entry direct. Because if you check out for here, this one is balanced. You see why I not take out from here, Abby? See, I not take out from this side. Why? I not put my this thing for here. Why? Because you know sweep this liquidity. So we say now this side now be there. So you say this one sweep on. So after I sweep on, it put back here, can't go up. You understand? So if I get anything to do for here now, this one will come down like this. This one will come down from here like this now. As it come down from here like this. When we say no break this low now, I know can't measure my Fibonacci tools from here like this. No, I will not put my Fibonacci tool like this. I will not put my Fibonacci tools here. No, because it not take a liquidity. So now after I take out this liquidity now, I say, here I want put down. So I can put down like this. So you can't tell me say, oh yeah, this one is balanced now. Fear, don't balance. So I can position myself for sale now. Then you see why I don't put my entry for here. If you see this kind of thing like this now, for this kind of zone like this, where we say one candle high pass another one high pass another one like this now. If you want to put your entry, no carry and come put for this one, because most time if you miss out, if you see at this zone like this, you know say all the sides are the same thing. It will happen for here now, the same thing for here. So if you take your entry from here, you can take your entry from here. You are right, take your entry from here, you are right, take your entry from here, you are right. But most time if you see this kind of thing, they happen like this. Now the one where they low, now you go put your entry. Inside this two now, the one where they low, now you go put your entry. So now here I put my entry. I will share the chart for my Telegram. You go see when the market day here, when I've been see this setup that time. But the reason why I don't can take the setup the reason why I don't can take it, because that time I've been doing my GBPJPY show the direction fine first, because you know say sometimes if GBPJPY never show say if they go up or down, if this GBPJPY first go up or down before USDJPY, the thing go still later come back on sweep you out. Like now, so take for instance now, so if you are bearish on USDJPY, that's to say in this GBPJPY also you are also bearish. So if your USDJPY never start to show bearish sign, fine, we say GBPJPY come first give you bearish this thing. GBPJPY first of all go fit stop you before USDJPY. I don't know whether you understand the right talk, but the reason why I don't take the setup, we say at the way it may USDJPY show the trend fine. So say you want start to go down fine first before I will join this where the thing show me for here. Now why I miss out be that. And as I come miss out for this one, I can also miss out for the USDJPY, because that day so I can't that day I can't miss this one. So you see, that is so the market dey for see the reason why I not take the setup that day. That is so the two setup there around the side like this. So that day, USD still there here. Then yeah, USD still there around this side, and that GBPJPY don't show bearish order flow. So basically I be the way for that day. Be say I be the way make the market come sweep this one fine. Then give me this pullback before I can start to sell for GBPJPY. So the thing can make me miss out for GBPJPY. Then I can miss this one also. I just missed the two that week. I don't take any trade for my USDJPY account throughout last week. I did not take any trade, only 2 good trade. So this one I suppose take, bro. I suppose take this one like this. And I here I've been put my target. Clean trade for there now. Then if I want to pack all the $7 trillion with the forex market now, I can just carry and come for here. How many are with that 16 now? It's possible, that's small thing. So as it don't happen like this now, so for this kind of market like this, where the market they do like this, maybe say this kind expansion now, I never see any entry I want to take. Fine, okay. Let's say another one the form from here now. Okay, this one is balanced. It's balanced here. So if I want to take any entry now, if you be say now for here I go take her. So like I take explain for this up here for it now here now. Like I take explain for it. Should be say this kind of thing way, this high, small high, big high for here. If you check this also now the same thing with this. So for this kind of place now, if you want to take your entry now, how you go take her after this swing come balance now. So if you want to take your entry now, how you go take her for this kind of place. If you put down for here, because I see the same thing. If you put down for here, put your entry for here, like make you not go miss out. You just put your entry here like this. Then your stop loss, guy. This stop loss louder. After this side, next candle. Or if higher time frame order block there, if you put down for here. But if you put down for here also, it's still day correct too. No day wrong. But sometimes if you miss some out, just the same way this one be now. So say you want greedy put down for here now, you don't miss because of 1 pips now. I be how many less than 2 pips now, you don't miss 16 RR trade. So you see, because of 1 pip, you want catch sniper entry now. So you see. So sometimes you need to consider. So as this market do like this now, so for this GBPJPY, if I want to take any trade now, so this kind of expansion like this, we're imbalance, the 69 balance or yeah, because market no balance on this side. So no imbalance. I cannot trade to the 50% zone. So all this kind of trade, I don't really like taking. So see for here again, imbalance for here, also imbalance for there. So sometimes if they try to take trade for this side, I feel you do liquidity. But so far they seem follow your system. If you just take a chin up taker. Understand? Because if it happen, yeah. So you see everything don't meet if you take a. Understand? So that's it for GBPJPY. So I'll just be watching. Maybe I'll probably position here. But this new day now, we market one open now, manipulation will come, so you must pull back on this side. So this one no the advisable. Because imbalance day for here. So if you want to try to take any other flow for here, market use to do liquidity. So market will probably come back to any of the zone or dump down. So this kind of market, I will just wait. Because since that time I missed this entry for here, so I just watch out. So not only USD probably I'll be expecting another opportunity. Yes. Either here or here. But let's see. But if the market no quick come here before it come down here, we just watch. So all eyes on the other flow. So that's it. I hope the explanation is clear. Can you hear me? Prince. Okay. You went off before. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. I hope the explanation is clear.
Clear from my side.
So, Christopher. Okay, Christopher. I hope it's clear. Rosie. I hope it's clear. So, that's it. What next?
Yo, bro.
Yeah,
Bro.
I can hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you analyze gold for me?